burstONE is dedicated for burst and short-term pressure test of pipes and fittings in compliance with ASTM D1599 and ISO 1167. The unique software and intelligent dynamic regulation ensure reliability in a stable and linear pressure regulation. With this cost-effective solution, you can perform tests with up to 200 bars regulated pressure at a flow of up to maximum 15 liters per minute. burstONE is controlled via the user-friendly wireless interface, offering multiple advanced features such as a recipe system, quick initiation of test, and auto-generated reports. The software logs 30 data points per second, 2,000 per test cycle. With burstONE, you get best-in-class regulation and flow. Learn more about burstONE and SCITEQ at SCITEQ.com.